Our first lab will be about vectors, but the first thing you need to know is where to go. We're not meeting in the classroom, so please make sure you go to the right room. When you arrive, you'll be asked for your ticket to enter. Please make sure you have a list of supplies that you need to gain to do the activity. If you don't have your list prepared, you will be asked to have a seat and go through the lesson plan before beginning the activity. Once you have it all figured out, come back and see the teacher and you will be assigned to a work group. Now you're ready to begin. Take token number 1 from the bag and place it on the floor. This will be your starting point. Then your group needs to determine which direction they wish to use for north, south, east, and west. Use the compass app on your phone to help you figure that out. Using the meter sticks, measure 3 meters east of the first token and then place the second token on the floor. Using the large protractor and meter sticks, now measure 4 meters north from the second token and place the third token on the floor. 3 members of your group should stand with each of the tokens. One person at token 1, another person at token 2, another person at token 3. The 4th member of your group will get the string from the bag. Have person 1 at token 1 hold the end of the string and run the string to the rest of the group so that it forms a triangle. It runs from 1 to 2 to 3 and then back to the first person. Now use the meter stick to record the length or the distance between token 1 and 3, and also record the angle that the string forms, both at token 1 and at token 3. The last step for question 1 is to now draw a scale diagram with the given graph paper. You've been provided with a ruler and a small protractor. Make a scale diagram of your project, then move on to question 2. There are 6 questions total. They are included with the assignment. And then there are some reflection questions at the end. So remember, you need to make a list of supplies that you need from the teacher before you can begin. Before coming to class to complete the lab, you should refresh some of the skills you've learned in previous subjects and grades. One example is metric conversions. Can you easily convert 4.2 meters into centimeters? Or how about 130 centimeters into decimeters? You should also know your directions north, south, east, and west. And it couldn't hurt to have a compass app on your phone so that when you're doing your lab, you know which direction is north. We're also using protractors, and if you're not familiar with how to use those to measure and draw angles, a good refresher would also help. Lastly, know your compass bearings. If I ask you to move in a direction that is north 17 degrees east, do you know which way to go?